Huh. God damn. Oh shit, I gotta clean up. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In the last vlog, we did the trunk on the S14. Today, we are finally gonna turn on the engine with coolant / distilled water to see what temperatures we get, because when I started this build, when I first bought this car ran good for a month. Water pump went out, put a new water pump, new fan in it, and it was running good. We rebuilt this entire engine, not entire engine, we did a gasket build on it and ARP head studs. I want to make sure this car does not overheat. In the couple videos ago, we got the car to turn on, first try, all that stuff. It ran good, it sounded good, but when you do head gaskets and all that stuff, you never know, it could leak. I mean, it could overheat because of the head gasket and all that stuff. So I'm praying to God that I did everything right. From the first turn on, it sounded pretty good. And yeah, so today I have two things to do. So today we'll be using some water wetter and some distilled water. We are also putting in the chase base relay. This is supposed to kick on, or supposed to tell the fans to turn on at 180 degrees to get the car to temp. Yesterday, we did a lot. I've been doing a lot off camera. The car is finally back to how it was. We did a lot of wiring. We did a lot of plumbing. So let me catch y'all guys up. Last video, we were talking about the headlight situation. I rebuilt the harness one more time. Now all my turn signals and parking lamps and all my reverse lights, my rear brake light, my brake lights, everything is working fine. We extended the power wire, we extended the alternator wire. We all have them right here going into the firewall. I gotta redo this for the wipers. I am debating on putting fog lights on. So drop a comment down below if you guys think I should run fog lights. I still gotta route the horn. The ground for the horn is right there. So let me take you guys inside. Dude, we did a lot over the past 2 weeks. We fixed up the fuse box, and there's the horn wires right there. We got to route those all the way back there. Same with the fog lights. If we run fog lights, we got to route it all the way back over here. So the ECU is going to be chilling right there. We have the fuse box right here where the airbag will be going. Then we have our power wires and all that going all the way to the back of the trunk. I drilled a hole, put a grommet right there, and basically this is going to be under this panel right here once we get the carpet dyed, and then bam, we got the trunk that we did in the last video. So I got my ground wire, and then I got my power wires for the alternator and the battery. This car has came a long way. I'm super excited with how it came out. You guys go back and watch the first couple of videos of how this 1UZ used to look like. This S14, well, the S14 still looks the same, but the engine bay is so much better. We still have a lot to do. I still got to do brakes. We still got to do the rear subframe. We already got the Z diff. We got the conversions. We still got to put all the panels in. I still got to paint all that. Dude, we have so much to do, but the hard part is out the way. Well, almost the hard part's out the way. Pretty much it. Yesterday I made this. I did some plumbing. So if you guys are doing a 1UZ swap in an S14 and with a chase base radiator, you're gonna have to come up with some plumbing ideas, because this shit was crazy. Because usually this will be over here and then you can just route this over here, but no, they're both on the same side, which is crazy. So I have the part numbers if you guys want. I'm using a AN fitting, from a 20N AN fitting from Chase Base. That's what I'm using to have both of them, because these are two different hoses. Here's the part number for the first one, which is right there. It's right here, guys. This is only if you guys are using the Chase Base radiator and then the filler neck. I'm pretty sure you guys are wondering why there's another Z. We'll be working on this Z, doing a subframe, stuff like that. I'll probably do TikToks on this. And then we got to put our water wetter, and then Chase Base's relay fan kit. Just need to find a location where I want to install this, because I got to run a wire on a 12 volt, and then I got to run a ground. I got to run the fitting into here, and then after that I got to take the battery out of the BMW, put it in the 240, turn the car on, and let's get these temps, wire up the fans, hope these fans turn on properly, and go from there, guys. If you guys are debating on making your own, I highly recommend Chase Base. Chase Base has some very good quality parts. I am not sponsored by Chase Base or anything like that. I just love their parts. Their parts are so amazing. I'll be running everything Chase Base, like brake lines, clutch lines, anything they got for the 240, I'll probably be running. Well built. It has like everything on it. So let's get this bad boy on. All right, let's find a good location where we can wire this up. So, bam. I don't know, dude, this is gonna be hard. Give me a couple minutes and I'll figure out where to find a good location for this. This is where I'm gonna put it, right here, which is a really good spot. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, my radiator fan blew up, blah, blah, blah. Oh, relay. So we're gonna put the relay right here. I'm gonna hook this up to the alternator, and it literally is just gonna go right there, bam. Look, this is pretty cool because it lines up all right here, so you won't be able to see it. Wire up these wires, which is really, really cool because I can literally locate it right here or right here. One thing, I do need to drill out this a little bigger because the stud on the alternator is pretty big. So with some YouTube magic, I just found out that the oil pan is leaking. I gotta redo the seal. But anyways, I got it on. You can see it, it's literally right there where I'm pointing at. So now everything else, I just have to wire manage it, make it look all nice and pretty, wire up the fans.
Nate Goyard.
Chase relay kit is finally on. So we got the relay right here with the wires running across, align the frame right here. We got our thermostat switch, or thermo switch, a power. Our ground is under here. Fans are connected. We got one of the fan, we got fan 1, and we'll just say fan 2 is right here. And it looks pretty good. I gotta be really, really loud because we are straight pipe. Y'all can't hear shit. So we got the fans to work. They kick on anywhere from 180 to 200, and they pull it all the way down to about 180 degrees, 186 degrees. It's running really fine right now. I had a couple of issues. Just things weren't tight all the way, but man, we came a long way. Check this out. Woo! 186. That thing does the job. Keeps it cool. It'll probably go back up once the fans can turn off. idle for like about a good 30 minutes, maybe 45 minutes. I want to double check everything, make sure we're not leaking. My biggest fear was the head gaskets and the ARP head studs, like for them to leak into the cylinder and cause a heat and all that stuff. But we're at a good 185. It should get cooler once we drive it because we get more air, because these are pool fans. So when you have pool fans, it pulls the air, so it keeps on pulling and pulling and pulling air. So I would like to upgrade those fans even more. Those are 1150 CFMs. I should get like 1400 CFMs. Those would be better, but it sounds pretty good right now. We had a lot of issues earlier today. Like it just didn't sound good. It couldn't, it felt weird. Like it wasn't revving good. It was like bogging a lot. But I guess I had to fix the fuel pressure. It was like below 40 PSI on the fuel pressure, so I upped it to 45 and we're running good. It sounds really good right now, but Jose's gonna come get another second pair of ears to hear. It sounds like it did. It sounds better than it did before. I'm just super stoked, guys. This shit is crazy. Fuck, it's hot. So guys, there's still a little more. I gotta burp out the system. Right now it stays anywhere from 88 degrees to 206, which is okay for right now, but I can tell that it's still taking in more coolant. So the process is just to keep on doing it over and over until it stays at a consistency of like anywhere from 186 to 190, which would be good for idling. And then on the road, we won't know until we go drive it, but that's pretty much it for the chase-based relay kit. I really recommend it. It's really good, kicks on fast. Once it hits anywhere from 190 to 200, fans kick on, pulls in the air, keeps the engine cool. So I really like it. It's a really good product. Everything that I bought chase-based is really, really, really good. I recommend it. I think I have another 10% off. I'll throw somewhere around here. You guys can go use it, go buy it. Support chase-based like I do. I'm not sponsored or anything. I'm just doing it because I really like the product. So that'll be pretty much, that's it for today's video. We still have a couple more things. I got to get the clutch. I've been saying that I need that clutch for a long time. That's probably going to be the last thing, is the clutch. I need to get the power steering rack so we can put this bad boy on, so we can get some power steering. And then after that, I need brakes. Dude, there's so much. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next vlog coming out soon. Peace.